right, I'll start. So Friday, market was selling off. I had a really great trade in the SPY. I'll tell you how I legged into it right here. It's funny because initially, we're talking about how important trading levels is. So initially, I see the market breaking down what we call morning, and we're just kind of hovering around this low, and we kind of bear flag and break the previous day's low by 6 cents. So I get short like a little bit of feeler, and the stock and the price just comes right back in my face. So I actually flip it and get a little bit long. We get a little pop. I take some off, and then we dip back into that area I was buying in SPY 429, and I absolutely loaded the boat off those lows, and I had a great trade into that 437, just kind of picking that bottom. Friday, yes, I missed out on a lot of upside not holding, but again, I'm not really trying to hold much here. And then today, I also traded this D-Dog, Data Dog. Very simple trade. This just kind of off lows. This is a 15-minute chart. But the reason I gravitated towards this name was this is one of the more beat up tech names, right? We looked at that Deer chart, great value name, top right chart. And this one's been more beat up, down like 40% off its highs. One of the growth stocks that got killed. So my take on this was this one's much more heavily shorted. This one will make a faster move to the upside, just as shorts are going to cover and things like that. So I gravitated actually to a more beaten up name because I wanted that quick pop, and that's what we got at Datadog. I bought 140, just giving it this 137 area. I'm just kicking here 145, 146. Nothing to brag home about, but just putting numbers on the boards while we can. And just kind of scalping this market, back and forth every single day. But that's really just been the game plan for me is, find one or two winners and just stick to those, keep that win percentage super, super high. I feel like that's the only way to really, make some good money in this market.